Did you know that your body quietly begins to lose collagen long before you notice your first wrinkle around your mid-20s? The natural production of this vital protein starts to slow down, and the effects become more visible as the years pass. What begins as small lines on the skin or mild stiffness in the joints can later lead to sagging skin, deeper wrinkles, and even painful movement. Most people only think of collagen as something related to beauty, but its decline can also influence your blood vessels, your bones, and even your heart health. In my years as a doctor, I have seen how this simple biological process can affect confidence and comfort. But there is good news. You can nourish your body and support collagen production through the foods you eat every day. In today's video, I will share some powerful natural options that help your body rebuild collagen and slow down the signs of aging from within. By adding these foods to your daily meals, you can help your skin stay firm, your joints remain flexible, and your overall health feel stronger. If this is your first time joining us, leave your city name in the comments so I can personally welcome you to our health community. And for those who have been with us for many videos, type 1 in the comments so I know you are still here. Your continued support keeps this community alive. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest science-based health insights made just for you. Now, let's explore how collagen works inside your body and why the right foods can make such a difference. Part 1. Understanding collagen and its decline. Collagen is one of the most abundant and vital proteins in the human body, making up nearly a third of your total protein. It is the glue that holds you together, giving structure and strength to your skin, bones, joints, cartilage, and even your blood vessels and eyes. Without enough collagen, your skin loses its firmness, your joints become stiff, and your body feels weaker overall. As a doctor, I often explain to patients that collagen is not just about appearance. It is deeply connected to how you move, how your heart functions, and how resilient your body remains as it ages. After your mid-20s, collagen production gradually slows down. You may not notice it right away, but over the years, this decline becomes visible and physical. Fine lines appear, skin starts to sag, and joints begin to ache more often. Even blood vessels can lose flexibility, raising the risk of high blood pressure and poor circulation. Unfortunately, our modern diets often make the situation worse. Processed foods loaded with refined sugar, white flour, and certain vegetable oils accelerate collagen breakdown and increase inflammation. These habits quietly speed up aging from the inside out. The good news is that your body can be supported through the right nutrition. Eating foods that contain collagen or nutrients that help your body produce it can make a significant difference. Collagen-rich foods help rebuild what time takes away, while vitamins and minerals act as building blocks for stronger tissues. In the next section, we will explore the best animal-based sources of collagen and learn how they can naturally restore strength, elasticity, and vitality to your body from the inside out. Part 2. Animal-based collagen sources, restoring strength from nature's richest proteins. When it comes to replenishing collagen, the most powerful sources come directly from animal-based foods. Collagen does not naturally exist in plants, which is why understanding where to find it in your diet becomes so important. One of the richest and most beneficial sources is fish skin, the skin of salmon. In particular, contains abundant type 1 and type 3 collagen, both essential for healthy skin. bones, and connective tissues. It also provides omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and keep your heart strong whenever possible. Choose fish with the skin on to take advantage of these natural benefits. Chicken is another excellent source, especially the skin in the rooster comb, which contains a high concentration of glycosaminoglycans, compounds that support skin elasticity and joint cushioning. Some of these same natural elements are even used in medical treatments to restore youthful skin and reduce stiffness in joints. Chicken feet, while often overlooked, are another outstanding collagen booster. They can easily be added to soups or stews, enriching the meal with nutrients that support both your bones and your skin. Their gelatin-like texture comes from collagen released during cooking, making them both flavorful and restorative. Beef tendon is also highly valued for its dense collagen content. Slow cooking it with vegetables or simmering it into a bone broth releases essential amino acids that rebuild tissues and enhance joint flexibility. Bone broth itself deserves special mention. It is one of the simplest yet most nourishing ways to consume collagen daily. You can enjoy it as a warm, soothing drink or use it as a base for healthy soups. Keep in mind that muscle meat contains very little collagen, so adding these parts into your diet makes a real difference. When consumed regularly, these traditional foods can help restore vitality from the inside out. Now that we understand how to get collagen directly from food, let us move to another important step: supporting your body's own collagen production with the right nutrients and plant-based options. Part 3. Collagen supporting foods, helping your body build its own supply. Even though collagen comes mainly from animal sources, your body also needs certain nutrients to produce and stabilize it effectively. Think of it as providing your body with the right tools to repair and rebuild itself. One simple yet powerful source is egg whites. They contain an amino acid called proline, which is essential for collagen formation. Adding egg whites to your breakfast in an omelet or smoothie gives your body not only protein, but also the raw material it needs to maintain firm skin and flexible joints. Another important nutrient is vitamin C, which acts as a spark in the collagen building process. Without enough vitamin C, your body cannot turn raw amino acids into usable collagen. Bright, colorful fruits such as oranges, kiwi, strawberries, and bell peppers are excellent sources. You can blend them into a refreshing smoothie or add them to your salads for a sweet and tangy boost. Zinc is another nutrient that supports enzymes responsible for collagen production and tissue repair. Pumpkin seeds are an easy way to add zinc to your diet. Toss them into a salad or eat a small handful as a crunchy snack. Spirulina, a nutrient-dense algae, is packed with glycine, proline, and copper, all vital for collagen synthesis and skin strength. It is available in powder or capsule form and mixes easily into smoothies or juices. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale provide antioxidants and additional vitamin C that help protect existing collagen from damage caused by free radicals and sun exposure. These nutrients work together not only to produce new collagen, but also to preserve what you already have. By nourishing your body daily with these natural ingredients, you support both your skin's elasticity and your joint mobility. It is a simple, sustainable way to slow aging from within. And now that we have explored how to protect and restore collagen naturally, let me share my final thoughts on how to bring all these habits together for lasting results. Doctor's final words: bringing it all together. Collagen is far more than a beauty secret. It is the foundation that keeps your body strong, flexible, and youthful from the inside out. Today, we have learned that maintaining collagen levels is essential not only for glowing skin, but also for healthy joints, strong bones, and proper circulation. The foods you choose each day make a bigger difference than you might imagine. Animal-based collagen sources such as fish skin, chicken, and bone broth help replenish what time slowly takes away. At the same time, nutrient-rich foods like eggs, citrus fruits, pumpkin seeds, and leafy greens give your body the tools it needs to produce new collagen naturally. Each meal becomes an opportunity to rebuild, protect, and renew your tissues. As a doctor, I have seen that real transformation does not happen overnight. It comes from small, consistent actions that support your health day by day. Avoid habits that break down collagen, like eating too much sugar or relying on processed oils. And instead, fill your plate with fresh, natural foods that feed your body the nutrients it deserves. And you will not just see the difference in your skin, you will feel it in your movement, your energy, and your confidence. Remember that taking care of your collagen means taking care of your future self. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe so you never miss our next health videos. Leave a comment below and tell me which collagen-supporting food you plan to try first. Share this video with someone you love who might need encouragement to start their own health journey. Every small change matters, and every good habit adds up. Your body is capable of renewal at any age. The best time to begin supporting it is today.